Ahoy, sailors! Welcome aboard. Today we're opening OP-02, One Piece Paramount War, which, yeah, it's taken, oh man, honestly, I'm just tilted right now, so I can't even do this intro. But basically, earlier, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, so you see one pack's already been pulled, and yeah, that's a weird way to start. But we got Hancock as a box topper here, which is really nice and probably going to be one of the most valuable box toppers in the set. And then we give you a revision pack with 7 cards that comes with, like, you know, starter deck cards. Yeah, these are all starter deck cards, which is really nice. And look, Jet Pistol, like, yeah. Who's Who, Kaido, like, this is something. Yeah, but the first pack I opened was pretty crazy. It was, yeah, upper right. Yeah, but we got Helmeppo, Hydra, Tashigi, Kabaji, Komyu, Kingdu, Trafalgar Law, Impel Down, Dogura, Solitaire, Brook, and Marco, which is, yeah, I was pretty happy. I wish I was actually, I feel like such a fool right now. But yeah, look at Marco. Wow. The textures, like, this is the nicest texturing on one of these cards I've seen so far. Personal opinion, but yeah, Marco's cool. He's like one of the bigger characters in the show. Doing the right side of the box first. Luckily, I caught that after only one pack, because it would have been brutal going through all this. Yeah, Onigiri, Solitaire, Dogura, Impel Down, Sentomaru, the Marine Sentomaru, Kabaji, Helmeppo, Makino, very good card, Burndy World. Oh yeah, this guy's funny. -8 Dawn and he becomes an 800,000 attack, basically uncounterable. Carrot. Ooh, and Whitebeard, hello. Wow, okay, first 2 packs are banging. Hitters all around. Alright, Law. Kingdu. Deathwing. Domino. Usopp. Tashigi. Don Quixote Rosinante. Arabeck Brick Fist. Inuarashi. Garp. Gum Gum Rain. And Sadie. For some reason I thought, oh, okay, it was this that was standing out. You never know when these could be, you know, like a secret rare, or I guess you wouldn't know. I just don't. Yeah, this Sadie's pretty nice too. For a rare. I personally want Reverse Sanji, and of course Manga Ace. You may be a fool, but I still love you. Saldeith. Atmos. Land of Wano. Dobon! Oh my goodness, look at that gorgeous card. Wow. Mihawk. Yamakaji. Isuka. Squard. Minotaur. Sengoku. Oh, and a regular Marco. Nice, nice. Even his regular art is gorgeous. Deathwing, Domino, Usopp, Saldeith, Don Quixote Rosinante, Mihawk, Yamakaji, Whitey Bay, Tony Chopper, Buggy, and oh! Alright, Leader Whitebeard. We got two reverse, or 2 full, wow, okay. Only like 4 or 5 packs in. Absolutely incredible. Wonder if we'll get Jozu or Vista Alter. I don't know if Vista... Yeah, Vista has to be an alt, right? I'm certain Vista's a rare. There's no way he's not. Magra. Venom Road. Thatch. Oh, he's got that fruit in his hand. Oh, look at that background right there. Strawberry. Crocodile. Doberman. Dofi. Diablo Jam Venison Shot. Curly Dadon, Paradise Totsuka, Oh, and what's it? Super rare Odin. Or yeah, Odin. Cool. New Kamaland, Jinbei, Blenheim. You know, there's already been 2 alternates. There's probably not going to be any more. Blue Gory, full body. Oh, somebody pulled out the full body combo against me with Django today. It was really shocking. Moria, Inoreshi, Das Bones. Oh, Eva, let's go. Oh, and Inazuma too, perfect. And Hannibal, nice. I wanted to play Hannibal. Or, you know, Impel Down. Hannibal's pretty integral. Zoro, Moby Dick, Sphinx. I tried playing Whitebeard today. It wasn't so good. The pre-release event. Impel Down, Saul, Django, Burndy, Iska, the Whitebeard Pirates, Hina, very powerful card, and Sequake. Now, the Navy's going to be really interesting, but, like, also going to be the most expensive deck in the game, because, like, half of the new cards revolve around Navy almost, or... Yeah, no, that's probably about right. Frankie, Oars, Junior, Onigiri, Solitaire, Moji, Sentomaru, Komio, Nico Robin, Kuma, Minotaur, Luffy, and... Ooh, a Kainu. Nice. Does that guy ever look happy? Dogra. Impel Down. Law. King Do. Oh yeah, that law card's really good. Deathlink, Kabaji, Tashigi, Belmare, Makino, Magellan. Cool. Hopefully we pull the other Magellan as well. Garp. And Mr. 3. Nekomamushi, Fatch, Newcomer Land, Jinbei Blenheim, full body. How's Moria? Looking good as always. Saul, Isuka, Luffy, and Garp. Oh, and we got one of these. Cool. A Dawn. With, yeah, you know, the reverse Dawn. I mean, you're guaranteed one in a box, so probably not another one in here. Domino. Usopp. You may be a fool. Saldi. Atmos. Rosinante. Dracule Mihawk. Venison Chop. Dofi. Bullet. Judgment of Hell. And Smokey. I don't know if maybe I've actually barely faced black online on the simulator. Land of Wano, Dobon, Magara, Venom Road, Yamakaji, Strawberry, Crocodile, Onigumo, Squard, Shishilian, Masked Deuce, and Borzolino, Kizaru. Alright, so got one deuce so far. Now on to the second half of the box. Once I get rid of Alright, come on. One more parallel. Secret Jewel. Blue Gory. Zoro. Moby Dick. Sphinx. Django. Moji. Araback Brickfist, Bellmare, Whitebeard. That's the second Whitebeard today. I mean, nothing compared to that one. Oh, yeah, but Mr. 3 and Judgment of Hell. Yeah, this card's so good. Alright, we've seen everything. Impel Down All-Stars, Frankie, Horrors, Bullet, Morley, okay, we haven't seen him yet, Smoker, and Deuce again. Okay, we got Wanda, Frankie, Ors, Onigiri, Moji, Sentomaru, Toki, Morley. Oh, hello there. Oh, I thought he was shiny for a second. Meteor Volcano, and Vista. Cuckoo. Vista has to have an alt art, right? That's one I really want to pull. We'll be doing a few more openings. So, yeah, I'm sure Vista. Yeah, he's meta 2, or OP-02 meta worthy. Solitaire, Dogra, Impel Down, Law, Kingdu, Kabaji, Tashigi, Robin, Ice Age, Whitey Bay, Yamato, and Kuzan. Oh, he's a secret rare. Or no, he's not a secret rare. He's just. Oh yeah, it's the other one that's the secret rare. The Kuzan in like the biker gear. Yeah. Deathwink, Domino, Usopp, Bleh, 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 Mino Koala, that's a pretty good card, Hammock, Zephyr, Bon Grey, and Shiryu. Atmos, Wano, Dobon, Magra, Venom Road, Yamakaji, Strawberry, Shishilian, Oniguma, Whitebeard Pirates, Meteor Volcano, and another Vista. 5 packs to go. Man. Come on. Nekomamushi, Thatch, New Kamaland, Jinbei, Crocodile, Doberman, Full Body, Daifugu, Das Bones, Toki, Brook, and Vankov. Neko Mamushi, Thatch, alright, I think we've seen just about everything. Oh, we got Sanji. I mean, that was, I think, guaranteed, but I'm just really happy to pull that. Yamato, super good card. Bon Grey. Oh, we've gotten Bugori, right? There's no way we haven't gotten Bugori. Rakuyo, Shiryu, and Magellan. Alright. Looks like there's going to be no more alt-arts. Pulled them both in the first 5 minutes. I have no clue what they go for, but I don't really care. I just want all the alt-arts. Bugori, Zoro, Moby Dick, Moria, Saul, Tsuru, Trilly Dodon, Kiemon, Buggy, and Shiki. Shiki's a 2k counter, so just overall good. Stinks. Wanda. Impel down all stars. Frankie. Forrest Jr. Django. Moji. Hydra. Kuma. Chopper. Kobe. And Jozu. Alright, well, that was my final pack. Kinda sucks. Completely. Oh my goodness, I still can't believe this happened. But it won't happen next time, and that's what matters. But next time is probably just going to be quick breaks. You know, just looking at rares, supers, and alts. But anyway, that's it for this time. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you next time, and bye-bye.